friends, Mr. Anupam Tiwari and Mrs. Preeti Tiwari, to move forward and install the sapling symbol of true freedom. Together we will work for the unity of our nation by imbibing the virtue of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who believed in Om Swaraj, who worked hard to eradicate ignorance and infuse confidence to fight for the right cause. Intention, Lord, help us to work in accordance with the Tilak House motto, right at any cost. Help us to execute our duties sincerely in making our nation strong enough to become a global leader. So help us, Lord. Investiture ceremony is the Bhutan and the cabinet members. Education, Sonam Upadhyay, Varg. The captains of the four houses, Tilak House, Khushi Tiwari, and Gandhi House, Trapti Tirthani. Next is the Tilak House captain, Khushi Tiwari, march forward to take her oath in the presence of principal and house mistress, Mrs. Savita Timande.
I, Khushi Tiwari, captain of Tilak House, do solemnly promise to be loyal to my school and to the Tilak House which has placed such trust in me. I promise to hold the Tilak House flag high and to be true to the house motto, right at any cost. I will strive to the best of my ability to cooperate with my house mistress, Mrs. Savita Timande, to work for each student of the Tilak House to spur them on to greater heights. So, help me God.
She now receives the sash and badge. I request Mrs. Preeti Tiwari and Colonel Anupam Tiwari to come up to the stage and ornament their daughter with prestigious sash and badge. The captain now receives the house flag. Next is the Gandhi House captain, Trapti Tirthani. Mooring being successfully completed, we now request Colonel Anupam Tiwari to say a few words of encouragement to the assembly gathered here. Sir, please.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sister Lily. Thanks for the opportunity that I'm saying few words there. We all love our school times. We all love our school times. We all remember, cherish our school times, teachers, principals. I have seen 2 schools in my life, in my school journey. My wife has seen about 4 or 5 schools. And after I got posted to Bhopal, and while I was just about to start my survey of which school I get my daughter admitted to, one of my friends, Wing Commander Mishra, he advised me that without a blink of an eye, to just go to the school and try get an admission. And of course, I believed him. In the blink of an eye, I was standing in front of Sister Lily, and in the blink of an eye, I was lucky enough that I got my daughter admission then and there in few minutes. So prior to arrival in Bhopal, in this station, my daughter had seen 10 schools, 10 schools till 8. And now she started her 11th school in class 9th here. And in these 3.5 years, me and my wife have reaffirmed at every moment that this is one of the finest schools. We are the luckiest parents, and our kids are the luckiest kids who can be here, who can imbibe the education, who can imbibe so much things. Not much to say. In fact, two things that I can recite sight of. One is the COVID times. While other schools were still fighting, I'll not name anybody, but while other schools were still fighting over what platform to use, how to inculcate, and how to continue the education without affecting anything, this school, you may be aware of, and if not aware, this school was one of the first schools to give individual login IDs right at the beginning. So while other schools were fighting with some sudden bombardment in the middle of the class, but right from the beginning, when this online system started, this school was the first, and our kids were absolutely not affected by any kind of gibberish or gibberish, anything. So that thing continued, and that vision happens because of the staff, because of the system, and because of the school tradition that has been carrying for last about 50-60 years. And today's program, we all are privy to live. In fact, yesterday only I came to know that this program typically takes about 15 days of preparation from Ravdeep sir, under the guidance of Ravdeep sir, but it was made possible in 4 hours or 5 hours yesterday. So I always believed that I've been lucky, and this school has just been one ample proof that I've been more lucky as parent, and you all and all the kids. For the kids, I'll have just one thing to say, that consistency is the key. You never have to end up at any point. It is not that you have come first, so it is the end. The consistency is required, and this is what we can connect with the school's vision also. For last about so many years, the school has been consistent, and that's a very difficult thing that we all can ever imbibe of. So thanks to the school staff, thanks to Sister Lily for giving me these few minutes of window that I can speak to you all. I can just put my comments over to you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sister Lily.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of motivation. Each and every word is precious for all of us.